Hello guys, how to fix mail app not working in Windows 10 and Windows 11. If your mail and calendar app not working in Windows 10 and 11, follow these steps. And the first workaround is go to Windows settings, scroll down and go to privacy and security. Here scroll down and you will find your option email. Click on it and email access. Turn the toggle button on to anyone using this device can choose if their app, mail and calendar apps also in enable mode. Turn on both the features. The next workaround to fix this issue is go to Windows search and type Windows Defender Firewall. And open Windows Defender Firewall. Here choose allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Click on it. Thereafter go to allowed apps and features and look for mail app. Enable both the feature under private and public network. Click on change settings and make the check against option mail and calendar as well as public and private network. And finally click on OK to save the changes. The next workaround to fix this issue is again go to Windows search, type store troubleshoot. It will open find and fix problems with Windows Store apps. Open it. You can in Windows 10 simply go to settings, troubleshoot and other troubleshooters and run the Windows Store apps troubleshooters. The next workaround is again go to Windows settings, choose go to privacy and security, scroll down and go to the location under app permissions and here mail and calendar app. Turn the toggle button on to access your location. The next workaround to fix again go to apps, look for installed apps mail, click on three horizontal dot, choose advanced options and make sure that app permission all features location, contacts, calendar and email will enabled. Scroll down and go to reset section. If this app is not working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data would not be affected. Choose repair first. If this app is still not working, then choose reset. The app's data will be deleted. The next workaround to fix this issue is launch run command box by pressing Win plus R shortcut key and here execute the command intl.cpl. Press OK and here go to the administrative option, language for non-Unicode programs, choose change system local. Here current system local, set your current location from the drop down menu and click OK. Now check mail app is working or not. If not, update mail app through Windows Store, launch Microsoft Store. Here from the left pane, click on library and choose get updates or choose update all. It will update your mail and calendar app and your problem will be